We are back at the car and it's time to get dirty, and I mean really, really dirty. Yeah, we got to replace the transmission filter and that accumulator. But first, again, a dead battery. Monkey, wrench, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
All right, under the very careful eyes of Lola, if she can even see out of that mess, I don't even know. And of course, Legend, who pushes her all over the place. We're gonna go below and see if we can figure out why the oil sensor isn't working. Okay, so we're off the tripod. We're going down. It's going down in the B-town, whatever that means, I don't even know. Okay, so somewhere there's a oil sensor thing. Okay, this is my transmission pan. I'm sorry it's so close. I'm just got my back against the ground. Look at this. Okay, well, okay, see that right there? I think that's it. Ooh. See if I can shed some light on the subject. Okay, I got my headband on. See that? Is that the... If that's it, I just love this car even more. Okay, I'm just gonna try to attach it. I don't know, I just really can't get in there to see because I'm a goober and I do all this stuff on my driveway. Okay, but I got it plugged in. Let's just see what happens. Did we just fix that issue? Tell me we fixed it. Oh, I shouldn't be listening to this, should I? Yeah, Boys to Men. Sorry. Sorry, YouTube police. I think we fixed it, folks. I think we fixed it. Give me a happy face. Give me a happy face. Smile. Say cheese. Does that look familiar? Yes, sirree, Bob. Same headlight on the AMG S55 as on the S600. So what we're going to do, rob Peter to pay Paul. No, we're going to borrow this. We're going to bring it back, okay? I really am. I'm going to bring it back. This girl is driving me crazy. She is so needy. You're so needy. What's the deal? Okay. Legend wants to play. Here, give me this. No, Legend. Here, give me this. Here, let go. You ready? Watch this. There you go. Come on. Good boy. Give it back. Give it back. Thank you. Thank you. Good boy. Now go get it. Yep. You're getting a bonus video right here. Car stuff and dog stuff. Thanks to Lola and Legend. Legend gets excited and pees. Love it. Love it. He also eats my house. Love it. Another problem. Super easy to fix. We need little buttons. Okay, we have a donor unit, and these basically pop off. You know, I could have, see, they just pop. Oh, shoot. I could have actually just put these in my pocket, but I'm not like that. So, yeah, they just push on, and you attach them. See? So we'll take this one off, just like that, right here, and a little push. See? Problem solved. Cost me, what was the cost of this? $4, $5? I don't know. Love it. And we're going in the land down under, because this is where the accumulator lives, right there. Not too difficult to get to, so what we're going to do is put some penetrant on that, and we'll remove the 2 bolts. A ton of fluid will come shooting out right in my eye, and then we'll get it replaced. Under the watchful eyes of Legend, let me show you what we've been able to accomplish. We're going down under again, and there she is, right there. Look how beautiful. Let me back it up. Back it up, back it up. There it is. She looks good. To get it out, we had to, of course, Whew, 2 bolts in front, 1 bolt in back. Then we had to loosen up the exhaust system. Okay, we didn't take it all apart. We just took off the little rubber things right there. Okay, on both sides. Pulled this down with all of our might. Got the old one out and the new one in. And look at the damage. Look at all the damage from forklifting this thing left and right. Yep. Thanks, Copart. But I got a good car for cheap, I think. That's okay. Let's get even dirtier. You want to? Yep. You know what this means. Time for a transmission flush, transmission fluid change. I've got the electrical connector. I've got the filter. And the gasket. We're going down below. Well, we have perfectly positioned ourselves in a world of hurt. This is not comfortable doing what I'm doing. Okay, so anyway, let's see how bad the transmission fluid looks. You want to see? Oh, that is not bad at all. That is not bad. The sniff test. Oh, I got it on my nose. Ugh. Sniff test positive. Smells good. Okay, so we get to continue with our work. Lola is laying on top of me right now. Thank you. I'm sure you don't feel very good, Lola. You just drank that hydraulic fluid like it was water. Yeah, good luck with that. Okay, once that drains, we'll remove the tranny pan and the electrical connector, and we will reinstall. We'll put the new filter in, and we'll do that. Enjoy some music. Why don't you do that? Enjoy some music. We've got it, by Jove. And it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. I don't feel any big chunks or anything. I really don't, which is really good. And it's kind of red. It doesn't smell too burned. So we're gonna call that, wait, what is that? Nope, that's not, ooh, I thought that was the chunk. Nope. All right, folks, this is a double win. This 600 is such a good car. It's been a day, hasn't it, Lola? Yeah, how you feeling after drinking that hydraulic fluid? You good? Yeah. You're good. We played. Your tummy hurts. Ha! Okay, so we've got the fluids refilled. We're going to give her a start, check everything out, see how she does. Hopefully, I've created a huge mess. Hopefully, everything will be fine. Let's just give her a quick little turn of the key. Oh, wait, you know what? I've disconnected the battery. Ha! Smart Mike. Now let's give it a try. We should have power. We do. We've got some power. And let there be life. I love this sound. Listen. Oh, that first part. Bzzz. Yep. Love it. Hopefully the hydraulics will kick in and everything will be fine. Ugh. Let go. Okay. Let's see what happens. We're going to put her in reverse. Back her up a little bit. See if we can raise her. None of these things want to work. See? This could be a problem. Dadgummit. Okay. Well, it sounds good. Doesn't she sound good? That looks a little low compared to that. It should even up once I take her for a drive, right? Right? High five. High five. No. High five. Shake. You remember shake? Shake? Nope. Okay, great. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're going to check the levels and make sure everything's kosher. Ooh, I haven't used that word in a long time. And that, my friends, is going to be a wrap for the video on the S600. You'll notice that we still have headlights 1 and 2 to put on. We still have that window regulator that we still want to do. But she's coming along beautifully. Yeah, all the parts are going in nice and easy. We'll see you again very, very soon in another video while the dogs continue to play and Mike continues to slave away. I made a rhyme this time. Aha! Bye!